Guys, I have a very quick update I want to share with you. This is the 4-hour time frame at the top and the daily time frame in the bottom. I want to review the RSI and potential next targets for this bearishness move that we are seeing in the market. Let's start with the daily. Yesterday I mentioned that we broke below the dotted trend line, but we were forming here a squeeze. At the end of yesterday we ended up closing below the flag, meaning that we have confirmation that the momentum right now is to the downside. And on the daily, we are coming back for a retest of the flag. So I think there is a high chance now that we're going to see a rejection here. Of course, the right thing to do is to wait for the close of the day. Daily RSI below 44 means a rejection from the flag and further continuation to the downside. If we come back inside, we're gonna once again enter in the area where we are not fully sure. I want to show you as well the price action, but let's go first with the RSI on the 4-hour. Yesterday, what got me really confused was that the RSI, after breaking down of this support trend line that we touched 3 times, we broke down on the 14th of August, and we came back above it at 51. Yes, just slightly a couple of points above it, but still I don't like when things are not as clear. But at the end of yesterday, at 6 p.m., we were already breaking down and testing it as a resistance. So now we have confluence both of the 4-hour and the daily time frame, pointing both that the momentum is down. Let's have a look at the price action. Yesterday we talked about this support here at 58k that was holding the price and it pushed back into the fair value gap. Well, guess what? After that we saw the rejection. That was the plan B. We said either you enter at the breakdown or you go back for the retest against the fair value gap. The second option was a greater option because it managed to enter from a higher price into the short and then an impulsive engulfing red candle, probably the largest since the crash on the 5th of August. And now we're doing kind of the same. We're going back into a fair value gap that probably by now is gone. I think now we are hitting resistance, building once again a bear flag, and potentially we're gonna continue going lower. We'll have to see. At the moment, both RSIs 4-hour and daily are pointing down. You know how is the game? It's a game of probabilities, so the chances now are higher to the downside. But having said that, let's see what the whales do with this big amount of buying that is going on chain data. Hopefully that's not going to spoil the party for another short. I hope you appreciate this video. I'll make another one probably later, more in depth. Let me know if you want to see any particular coin. I can include it in the video later. I'll see you later. Bye bye.